The last time we put the governor of Lamu, we had recommended him to be charged. Now the Kirinyaga governor, we have recommended her to be charged, and her case started long ago. Yeah, corruption cases take time to be determined. There are other governors we are investigating. There are other chief officers in the counties we are investigating. There's a certain governor who said that that governor that is being victimized because that governor has changed the political whatever. We have investigated. We have found facts. Let the DPP give his consent, and we believe our cases against many governors, they are watertight. And these governors, and I'm talking in front of the media, these governors that we have charged and those who have recommended to charge, they are from both sides of the political divide. So when a governor is stealing, doing funny things, he doesn't talk to the public. When he's arrested, he say, oh, I belong to this political angle. So can somebody call you in one day and tell you, I want you to jail, to fix this guy, and in 1 month you have a case that you have taken to DPP? Can you do that practically? So it's up to you to know that politicians are playing politics. EACC is doing its work professionally.